They're watching you, big dog. They're watching you. And guess what? Each and every one of those motherfuckers are waiting. They're waiting for you to drop the ball. They're waiting for you to come up short. They're waiting for them to be able to say, we were right. He doesn't have him in him. He doesn't have the dog in him. This is up to you. This one shot, this one opportunity. You're going to be tested, big dog. But if the world doesn't believe in you, just know I fucking do. And you're going to go out there and absolutely kill it. Every goal you had, you're smashing. This is our year. Let's go out and get it. It's time to level up. Let's go.